And no, yeah, I think you're the only one here right now, Mitch. Let me show you what I'm working on. I'm waiting for Ruby to finish this game. 50-minute long. So, it's not done yet. It's not even close to being done yet. But, this is gonna be like a 3D. Hold on. There we go. So this is gonna be like a 3D procedurally generated dungeon game. This is like my map generation system. Right now it's not textured or anything, and the map generation isn't done yet, so it's just I can generate rooms, but I can't generate hallways yet. And I get some weird glitches. See, so you can walk around, you can jump, can't go through walls or anything. So that's actually super hard to program. So that's what I'm working on right now. And it's obviously gonna be like a darker theme, like a dungeon type game. It's gonna be like a maze, and you're gonna have to grab items and kill monsters and stuff. So yeah. And I can actually like change every time you load it, it's a random map. And it's gonna have hallways random everywhere. So it's gonna be pretty awesome if I actually can do it correctly and finish it. So I can make the map bigger. That's like 500. This is 500 size, which is, and I might change the size of the rooms. But yeah. I know how to do bullets and stuff too. I think I need to change these colors, they're too bright. So let's see, I'm gonna make the floor. Oh, I know, it's in here. Concrete is gonna be dark. It's gonna be 30%. It's gonna be like FPS. Okay, that's gonna be a little bit lighter, so like 6. I'm gonna make the walls darker gray. There we go. So actually, yeah, I can change all that. I'm actually gonna have like clouds and rain and stuff eventually. But right now I'm just trying to make the physics work and the map generation. I actually built a map. I can just load a map from file. I'm gonna load map 1 instead of generating a random map. Oh, I need to set my location to the right spot though. I think spawn is like, let's just make it 0, 0, 0. Hero, hero, 0, 0. Oops. Oops. Where is the map? Alright, I'll make the sky red for you. But, for some reason, my map loader isn't working. Oh, what the heck? Can't read input file. Well, forget that. I guess, I changed something that's not gonna work anymore until I figure out why that doesn't work. But I don't need that, to work, because I'm not gonna be actually using that. So, dude, this was super hard to program the physics for, because you can see all the collisions are perfect. Like, I can walk around. I can't, like, fall through the walls. It was pretty hard to program this. But, I still have a couple bugs, like when it's generating the map. The way the map generation process works is, it first generates all the rooms, and then it has to, well, basically every object in the world is a rectangular prism shape. So, every wall, actually I can help better. You can see it better if I disable the drawing of the top face of every cube in the map. I'm gonna actually make the bottom draw all the time so you can see. Oh. Okay, well that's not gonna work. Anyways, I start out with this huge grid, and it just fills in all the empty space with different sizes of squares or rectangles, and then all the empty space needs to be filled in with walls. So that's what I do, and that was the hard part of filling in all the empty space with cubes that fit into the right spots. See that? They're all the right sizes and everything. They fill in all the empty space, and there's no spaces that aren't used. Can I make room number and world size user inputted? Yeah, I can. That would be easy. But yeah, I can do that. See, I can change that right here. So room size is right here. So let's see, if I wanted to make, oh, this number right here determines how many rooms are in the map. So like, if this is smaller, then this is going to be only 10% the amount of rooms. See, there's like barely any rooms, and all the rest of the space is filled in with walls. Let's see. So let's make it like, I like map size 200 for testing for now, and room size 30, and that amount. I think that's a pretty good amount of rooms. But I need to make it a little bit more less awkward, like this little hole right here. I can change that. Yeah. I also want to make like stairs and different floors also. And I can add bullets. I've done that before. So this is, I mean, this is actually, I'm surprised that I was able to do this. This is really, like, really hard. Let me see, is Ruby still in game? She is. For some reason I can't spectate though. Hmm. I don't think I need to repair. 60 minutes long. Yeah, I'll give out free copies. I mean, I don't even know if I'm gonna sell this thing anyways, because I don't know how good it'll be, but I don't know, it actually might turn into something cool. I don't know. Yeah, it's so much code. Alright, let me walk you through the process of generating a random map. Just briefly, like super fast, because it's like 100 lines of code. Or more. So first I need to calculate the total area of the map, multiplying the width and the height. And from that I can figure out how much rooms I want to have based on my ratio. That up here. I don't even know, can you even see the code? Because I know it's small. Oh, I think I might be able to zoom in. Shift. I know there's a way to zoom in. No, I don't. I've never heard of that. So anyways, I generate the map. I figure out the area, then I generate a bunch of rectangles inside that area. And then, I already kind of explained it to you, but then I had to fill in all the empty space with walls. And every object in the world is just a rectangular prism. Even the floor, they're just big flat rectangles. And you can see the walls too. They're just rectangles right next to each other, filling in every single spot. So this started out as this project, Cube Playground. Which I did a YouTube video on. The thing about this physics engine is that it's only cubes. Even these blocks. Oh, actually, these are not cubes. But the thing about this physics engine is if you had any other shape that were not like perfect cubes, or if they were like overlapping each other and stuff and doing weird stuff, the physics engine will bug out, and you'll sometimes glitch through walls or like fall through the world or whatever. So I had to totally change my physics engine. So that's what this next project is, the dungeon. And that was ridiculous. I mean, but it's pretty much flawless now, so I'm really glad. And I already have the code to do bullets. So I've already figured that out. So I just need to copy paste into the other project. Yeah. So then adding enemies should be super easy also. Yep. Dude. 64 minutes.